Hey guys, today we're going to be going over a couple ways to get the name of your computer. I know that this might easy for some people, but you'd be surprised on the amount of people that don't just know how to get the device name or host name of the machine. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. You can see I already have the three methods that I know already up. You can open up command prompt and you can simply type in host name and it'll echo right to the host name. So I'm going to close these out and I'll show you one by one on how we can get to these windows. So the first thing, we're going to go into the command prompt. So we're going to type in CMD and then you hit enter and then we just simply type in host name and it's going to echo back the host name of the machine, which is the computer name. And you can see it right there as desktop-E2EPH41. So that's one way to get to it. Another way is to just open up a File Explorer, right click on this PC and go to properties. And then you can see computer name and then there's the computer name. So that's another way. And then our final way is going to be the same thing here. I'm going to go and close these out. And we just go to start, typing pcinfo and hit enter. And it'll take you right to this page where it says device name and there's the desktop name right there. So that's how easy it is to get to your host name so you can figure out what your computer name is or the device name is in Windows 10. It's pretty familiar with Windows 7, Windows 8. The method in those is just going to be open up File Explorer, right click on computer, and then go to properties and you can see it'll bring up the system of the machine. And you can also do this by going to control panel and then we can change this to small and then you click on system and that'll take you to that same page. So there you guys have it. Hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.